If you've ever watched the Food Network program Dinner Impossible, you might have seen the vanity plate at the end of the show for the production company that creates it. If not, let me describe what happens in the 5 seconds it's on the screen. A microwave timer goes off. A hand quickly opens the door, and a voice says, "That's done." The message is, "Okay, I'm done with that. What's next?" Watching this vanity plate at the end of the show always leaves me feeling like the episode I just viewed was made by somebody who really didn't care about what they created. And if they didn't care about the show, why should I? Don't get me wrong, I understand deadlines and the importance of being efficient. I also understand formats and styles are necessary when you're producing a television series. But too often creatives settle for mediocre when they say, "Okay, that's done. Open the door, pull out the project, box it up, and start the next one." Several years ago, I worked with a talented young producer-editor who used to punch out projects at an incredible speed. Often, he would call me into his edit bay and ask me for ideas to make his projects better. When I asked him why he didn't take the time to come up with his own ideas, he responded by saying, "I'm afraid that I'll get into trouble if I'm not editing every minute, and I feel guilty taking time to plan." The reality was his just reheat some old ideas philosophy was really affecting everything he edited. Sound like you? If he had taken the time to look for fresh, new ideas instead of cobbling everything together, he would have added the finesse his work desperately needed. But he was afraid to toss out his microwave. Before I give you my takeaway, let me mention that if you really want to elevate your work, grow your business, scale your income, stand out in your space, my book, You Gotta See This, Hidden Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos, can help. You can download a copy on Amazon, BookBaby, and Barnes & Noble, or by clicking on the link in the description below. I also have a free unscripted video story guide that lays out my creative process and workflow that you can download too. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to my channel so you'll know when I post new content to help you make videos people will talk about. Okay, here's my takeaway. Great takes time, amazing takes a little longer, but you have to toss out your microwave. I'd like to invite you to go to my YouTube channel and look at some of the other videos that I've posted on a variety of subjects that have insights and takeaways that can help you tell better unscripted stories. Thanks for watching.